Top 10 tokens that I think will do insane moves in this bull run. This has been floating around the Cryptonaires Discord. I thought I would share it with you here live on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Big shout out to my team for helping me put this together. This is, of course, the top 10 crypto projects to watch out for in this upcoming bull market, possibly 10x or more before the bull run ends. And so Crown by Third Time Games. This is definitely in the gaming ecosystem. This is digital horse racing where people can actually buy horses and then race them, or you can bet on them. And so as the bull market comes back, this is at a lower market cap of only 37 million. I think this definitely can get up into the few hundreds of millions, if not a billion, if this really catches on. I know people are making money by buying these horses that are NFTs and racing them. So please take a look at Crown. I think it's a good gem. Here is their Twitter if you wanted to know what it was. It's basically, they have 32,000 followers. The website is photofinish.live, and their photo finish game is their Twitter. You also have Kajiri. Kajiri is sitting here at 128 million market cap. If we click on about, this gives us a little bit more information. Let me just go here. The Cosmos Layer 1 platform for community selected projects creating true value. I can show you the website here. Kajiri is for everyone, empowering a decentralized economy for all. Creating an account is quick and easy, of course, just by clicking this button, or you can start building the blockchain, providing opportunity for everyone. Kajiri is a blockchain revolutionizing fintech for Web3 builders, dApps, and protocols. Most importantly, we recognize none of this matters without users driving adoption for the next generation of digital wealth and commerce solutions. And it talks about our mission and our inspiration draws from our belief in everyone deserves access to tools and services to create wealth. We create a better future for those opportunities we shared more widely and privileged than the elite and the wealthy. We provide a platform where financial tools are easy and cost effective to use without the need of specialized knowledge or training or experience. If you want some more information, I will have some links down in the description of this video. Also, one of my top picks for this bull market is Render. Render is incredible. Let me show you their website. If you haven't gone to Render's website and played around and just shown this is distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. There's a great video here by its founder. I'd really advise you to watch this video. There's a lot of value to be got here, but what they're trying to solve here is network scalability, efficient infrastructure, a better use of GPU power, and digital rights management. They also have a pretty all-star team. They're in media, industry, augmented reality, mixed reality, gaming, medical, and virtual reality. Here is some of their founders. This is the gentleman that's in the video. You also have JJ Abrams here, which is actually really cool. I love that. And some few other people. Just really great team, really great technology. I do think Render could easily go to $50 in this bull market. Definitely pay attention to Render. Also, you have Ando Finance. Let me go ahead and bring up the website for Ando because I think you should pay attention to this. We talk about a new era of financial inclusivity on-chain. Ando's foundation mission is to usher in the new era of financial inclusivity and market efficiency through on-chain institutional-grade financial products and services. Take a look at some of these partnerships. Let me just scroll down here. You have BlackRock, Ancora, Morgan Stanley, Mantle, Polygon, Coinbase, Curve, Injective, Yearn Finance, Anchorage Digital. It doesn't get bigger than Ando. If you're really looking for a solid token, utility token to hold, Ando is probably one of the best. You don't get partnerships bigger than this. You can obviously go onto their website here and take a look around. This was talked about many months ago inside of Cryptonaires, well below 25-30 cents. This is around $1 right now, and I think there's a lot of growth here, still at about $1.359 billion. I think this is an easy $10-20 billion project. So Atour, this was talked about way long ago inside of our community back here when this was like 15-20 cents. This went up to $3.60. So a huge profit was taken inside of our community. Big shout out to Ray on DeFi for finding this one early. You could basically get Atour on, Uniswap and some other smaller exchanges. I think once it hits bigger exchanges, this thing can really start taking off once the retail really starts to come back and realizes the technology of what they're providing here. This is basically the anonymity layer for DPIN. Migration is live. Any holder of Atour token will trade their tokens for a new token. Anyone released in the foundation for anyone. So they changed the name of the token. But basically, you have the network, the protocol, the hardware. And I mean, this is just really cool what they're trying to do here. A new backbone of internet sovereignty. The Atour protocol leverages its Artweave L2 to distribute tokens seamlessly in accordance with proof of uptime. Run a relay to participate in global testing from 2024 using a virtual machine DePIN hardware for the relay. If you really like DePIN, I think you should be focused on Atour. This is probably one of the more scalable projects that I think is going to do really well. You also have 100 million fixed supply, so a very low supply. I think this really will send. And then here is their Twitter account here. They changed it to anyone. Injective is something that was talked about at a few dollars inside the Cryptonaires Discord. This went up to $50, 48 and some change. This is probably one that I still think is going to do really well. Let me bring up the website for you here. I thought I had it open. I do apologize. A lot of stuff, a lot of things have been being built out on the Injective ecosystem, backed by the best: Binance, Pantera, Jump, and Mark Cuban. Shout out to Mark Cuban. The blockchain built for finance. Build and use the best of Web3 applications on Injective, the fastest layer 1 blockchain reshaping the future of finance. Create the best-in-class financial apps. He says revolutionizing smart contracts, pioneering interoperability, customized decentralized solutions, and formidable security, which is really the 4 pillars of any kind of blockchain. You also have featured apps. You have institutions that are using this. You have blockchains. You have exchanges, validators, so many different wallets. This is really a built-out ecosystem. I highly advise you to check out Injective, why it's been on this nice little dip. This is something that's probably going to go to $100, maybe $150. Nothing too crazy, right? The lower the risk, the lower the reward, right? If you are chasing 100x or 1000x, you are taking a huge risk. A lot of people don't have that type of risk inside of them, and they want something that is basically going to give them a decent return without risking the whole farm. Personally, I like to go for the gold, even if I only, get a few of these really, I have like my BioFis, I have Storage Chain, I have, some of these meme coins on TON network, I have some meme coins on Ethereum network. I also have a full base of regular tokens, your XRPs, quants, XDCs, things like that. I have some AI tokens, some DePIN tokens, but realistically, my risk tolerance is insane. I've been in crypto for over 4.5 years. I've lost money on stuff. I've made a lot of money on stuff. And, I take certain bets in the market. And if one of those bets works out, it will cover everything that I've lost. Plus, it will make me a lot of money. So, these are some tokens that I have in my portfolio. Clearpool is here, $72 million market cap. Let's go to the website and find out a little bit more about Clearpool Finance. Let me go ahead and hit verify here. Man, I hate these things. Verify that you're human. Okay, verified. We're good. The first decentralized credit marketplace, 562 million in loans originated. You can see basically here where the credit vaults are. You have Base, Avalanche, Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, ZK EVM, and Mantle. You have also a C-Pool staking. Anything like this is backed by Sequoia, Arlington Capital, Sino, Hashkey Group, and Wintermute. These are some of the biggest names in VCs in the crypto space. A lot of stuff here. You can basically bridge, borrow, you can loan credit, a very secure protocol. I do think this is going to be a monster. This is only at 72 million. I think this definitely could go into the billions. You also have NetMind, or the NMT token. This is sitting at $132 million million market cap. Let's go ahead and pull up this website for you, so you can see what we are talking about here. Training, fine-tuning, and interference. The decentralized machine learning and AI platform. Join the beta, contribute your GPU so you can loan your GPU power to make get some rewards here. Train models, train model and rent GPU, earn rewards, contribute to your GPUs on the network to earn early adopter rewards. We've created a machine learning platform powered by a global GPU network. This is really important because GPUs are becoming harder and harder to find, harder to buy on the market, more expensive. And so when you can make a protocol that shares GPU power, just like Render does, like this does, this is something that could really take off and become a multi-billion-dollar platform. Idle GPUs, add the power to the network to earn. Coming soon, no code solution for fine-tuning models. Deploy and inference in your model in your production, and you can also join their Discord. There's also some information down here, but these are the top tokens that I would recommend that you at least take a look at. There's some really good value here. These are, I would consider most of these tokens lower risk to hold. Obviously the reward structure, like I was talking about before, might not be 100x or 1000x, but I definitely think some of these tokens are at least 10, 20x's waiting to happen once the market fully explodes and we get retail back. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please let me know if there's any tokens you're interested in me talking about in the future. I'd love to hear from you. Aloha.